In this video I will show you how to get paid $100 or even more per day, using free photos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online as a teen. How to do it? We're about to find out. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free and you can always change your mind later. In that way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online so you can be one of the first to use it. The best part is you can do these for unlimited times because you don't need a camera and you don't need to take any photos yourself because I will give you a free tool where you can get this done in less than 1 minute of work. It's a website that people from all over the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with. Right before we start, let me know in the comments what you want to see in future videos. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. So first and foremost, this is the website where you can get the work done in less than 1 minute for absolutely free. This is the tool where you can get those photos done in order to make money utilizing the second website, which I'm about to share with you in just a moment. So before we get to that website, I'm going to show you how to create those photos first. So, let's start with how you can get those photos done for absolutely free, so just go over to spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates which will let you to just drag and drop and create professional looking designs. But what designs can you create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social graphics, flyers, logos, videos, banners, posters, slideshows, and YouTube thumbnails. In addition, you can apply design filters and animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high-quality designs, so they also have different features like creating web pages and short videos. But those are not what we will be focusing on. We are only focusing on photos that we can create in less than 1 minute to instantly share and get paid with the website, which I'm about to share with you in a minute. The coolest thing is, even if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can still do this with just your phone because Adobe Spark has a mobile app that is available for both Android and iOS devices. So even if you're lying in your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this and make money. So all you have to do is go to spark.adobe.com and click on Start Now, and that's going to take you to this page where you can create a free account. You can either sign up with Google, Facebook with your Apple account with your email, or with your Adobe ID. Once you're done with that, it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. So, in here you can browse all the different templates you have, all these different graphic designs that you can customize, which are pretty much 99% done for you, and you just need to change the text. In that way it becomes your unique design from which you can make money from. So, you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collages, presentations, slideshows, and so on. So, let's say for example I want to create a flyer design. Now all I have to do is type flyer in the search bar, then just click search. Once you clicked search, you'll see here a lot of flyer templates. As you can see, all of these flyers are high quality and they're done for us. This tool already created the flyers for us and all we have to do is just change the text. It's very easy and anyone can simply do this now. You need to choose the flyer you like. Let's say for example I like this flyer right here. So, all I have to do is simply click on this flyer, and then it will bring us over to this page. This is where we can customize the flyer that we chose. Now I can change the text by double clicking on it. Now I can type in whatever I want. Let's say, for example, I can type in this. As you can see, I just changed the text as easy as that, and now I can also change some other stuff to make it more professional, such as the colors, font style, font size. You can literally customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, outlines, and the likes. And here on the left hand side, you can still choose different templates in case you don't like this one. So, it's really easy. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer by just clicking the download button right here on top. And that's going to instantly download a high quality version of this photo straight to your computer. Now, if you want to remove the watermark, you can either use a snipping tool or any other software that you have on your computer and just screenshot this photo. Take a snap and just exclude the watermark in the bottom part of the photo and you're good to go. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Now let's get back to the video. Now let me show you the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark, and that website is called designcrowd.com. If you don't know what the Design Crowd is, the Design Crowd is the world's #1 custom design marketplace. Here people are selling their logo designs, web designs, flyer designs, graphic designs, and other design services. Now if we go to the designers section and select graphics designers, we will be able to see people from all over the world making money. If we select flyer designers, we will be able to see more people who are making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs which you can get done in less than 1 minute. So if we go over to the job section right here, you can see that you can create all of these designs and get paid for doing so. You want to focus on flyer designs. You can just click on that and you will be able to see all the available jobs. Now you can submit your designs which you can get done in less than 1 minute with Adobe Spark and get paid. The best part is there will be new jobs coming in all the time. So, you will never run out of jobs to complete within these sections, and that's only under the flyer design section. You still have different sections which you can choose from. You can maybe go on with brochures, designs, poster designs, banner ad designs, book cover designs, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. Now to get started with designcrowd.com, all you have to do is click this register button right here on top and then just enter your first name and email address. Create a password, select I'm a designer and just click on connect. Creating your account should take no longer than 60 seconds. Once you registered and log into your brand new account, you can start browsing all of these different jobs, and once you find a suitable one, just click on it and submit your design. And since a lot of you guys are often asking me how you can cash out your earnings from the website, I'll explain to you exactly how to simply do it. So once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here. Just click Profile Settings and then on the left side click Payouts and then select Payout Method. In that way, you can enter your payment info. And that's how you cash out your earnings, and that wraps it up. That is exactly how you get paid with free photos. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I will see you in the next video.